Hi guys, it's Millay with GCL, an LED display manufacturer for 27 years. Our factory's headquarters are based in Shenzhen, China, and we have a team, warehouse, inventory in Dallas, Texas. We are now at InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas. This is our booth. So as you can see, we are doing an art museum theme for our whole booth. So I would like to show you guys this room first. So this is an art gallery room. We're showing two different kinds of products right now. Behind me we have the GTV 1.2 COB. The panel layout is 6x6, so 36 panels in total. The screen size is 165-inch diagonal. The refresh rate is 7680. The contrast ratio is amazing. That's why the screen still looks really good on camera. Behind me here we have our GTV 0.9. So on this piece we have one panel wide and three panels tall, and on this one we have two panels wide and four panels tall. Here we're showing our Ghalo 1.9 GOB. It's a wall mounting panel, and we do provide this customized tray, which is secured on the screen using magnets, and it's super easy to install it. So you just snap it on and put it in place. And here we have our posters. So the posters come in three different heights. So this one, so by the way, this is a 1.5, and this is 4 units being connected together. So the shortest height is 1920, which is about 6.5 feet. And this one is 2400 millimeters, which is about 7.9 feet. And we do have another taller one, which is about 9.4 feet, and it's 2880 millimeters. And here we have a very interesting setup. So it's an immersive environment. So we have our G Prime 1.9 panels, and here we have the floor 1.9 panels. So the scene is about to move. Right now it's showing the entrance of a museum. As you can see, we have GCL Art Museum here, and it's about I think the content is about to move, and it'll make you feel like you are in the art. So one thing to notice is that the colors of our G Prime 1.9 and the colors of our G Floor 1.9 are completely matched. So it gives you a truly immersive experience. So the setup that we have, it's not too big. We have 4 meters on each side, which is about 13 feet. So we're showing 3 different sides.